Hello, hello, this is Pat. I am out in the Bluebird Bungalow and I am bringing you something that was requested by one of my Etsy customers. It was, can we do some Gifty pockets that are not Christmas? Because that was what I brought out at Christmas. So here are our Home Sweet Homes Little Houses Jonquil Cottage Gifty pockets. It's a mouthful, isn't it? All right. So, do you know why I've got so many done? It's because of the videoing. Videoing, is that the word? Making the video. Something goes wrong every time. But this time, this is the last time. Okay, so first of all, the kit includes 3 house bases of the houses. I don't know how to say that. Okay, there's some instructions on there. This is so easy, you won't need instructions. And then there are 4 roofs. I had to do 2 of the thatched roof because I just love them, and there's some instructions there. And then with the advent, I don't know, my words are bad. We're gonna do some hidden paper clip chimneys to hold our gift cards in. Because this wasn't planned. I did this and then I'm like, oh, that's right. They don't stay closed very well. Well, now they do. Okay? All right, let's do this because it's so simple. It's so simple that I have done a little prep work. Oh, let's back up. See, but no, this is not reason to refilm. This is chimney paper clip paper. Okay? And this is what I've done. I just cut me a strip, and I would guess it's about, well, it's almost an inch. Probably could be thinner because these were a little thinner, but we're going to leave it that way because I don't want to mess up and make it look icky. All right, so I've got my base. I have distressed these because they'll show as we fold it over. This is my roof. I've distressed around my roof, and I distressed on one side because this is going to be glued down. I have my label, and that's been distressed. I don't need you. And I think that's all we need. Oh, and I've got my paper clip. All right, first of all, I am going to fold. I should have done this and distressed that because it will need some distressing. And then folding this. Now, this is one from a previous printing. Let me show you. So on these houses, they include a little white strip to glue onto because it is very, very, very narrow here. But we're going to make it work for this video. All right. Glue along the bottom. Pull one side over, and then this is where you'll have that extra little white strip of paper. See how it's just really, really tight. Okay, and that's why some of those other pockets exist. However, when we glue this on, this will hold it down. And I did distress on this side, not there because you won't see that. So I'm just kind of centering it in there. All right. So see, that's going to hold that. Got that even? Okay. And then this goes on the back, and this holds it also. But I solved that. So when you order your digital kit, it won't be such a narrow thing. That's it. That's it. And then your gift card slides in there, but see, that just flaps up. So let's make our chimney closure. All right. Now, if you haven't watched the hidden paper clip video that was inspired by Sparkbird and by Bohemian Crafting, and I noticed there's, boy, everybody's hopping on that bandwagon. Okay, so we're going to fold this up. This is what hides that paper clip. I'm folding that up to that long side, and then I'm folding it up to that short side. And this paper is much longer than it needs to be. So actually, I think I will just fold it over there. And I'm going to cut. Am I going to fold that one too? No. I do want to cut that one. So I will fold and cut that. All right. And then this, I'm going to put glue up all that way and down, matching up my folds. And I'm thinking those extra little folds, with the paper being a bit thinner, it helps to hide that paper clip so it doesn't eke through the paper so that you see it. And that is it. And then this can go right there. Ta-da! Isn't that cute? All right, that's it. That is it. This is a digital kit. It will be available on my Etsy, in my Etsy shop. I will link that down below. And you just need to go in and look at the other videos. If there's ever a certain video that I refer to and you can't find it, on the main page there will be a search, kind of a search bar. You can put in hidden paper clips. You can put in, if you need to know how to do a hidden spine on a journal, put it in there and it will pull up all the videos I've done with that. All right. Hey, thank you. I appreciate you watching. Take care. Bye-bye.